Good afternoon to the good afternoon to the respected faculty, teachers, and my dear friends. That's a fantastic and important topic. You could give on the importance of discipline in students' life. We gather here today to talk about something crucial, something that is not always exciting, but that is the absolute bedrock of success. I am talking about discipline. When we hear the word discipline, our mind often jumps into the rules, punishment, or strict schedule. But I want us to redefine it. True discipline is not about self-control. It is about the freedom to choose what you want more over what you want. Right now, as a student, our primary focus is our education. Without discipline, the best study plans, the most expensive textbooks are useless. Discipline as an academic success. In the life of a student, discipline is the non-negotiable foundation for academic success. Firstly, discipline requires consistency. Intelligence can get you a good grade once, but discipline can ensure you to get good grade consistently. And then, discipline requires distraction. We are living in an age of notification. One click at a time by endless entertainment and social media. And then, discipline based resilience. School is challenging. We all face confusing subjects, low test scores, moments of doubt. Discipline teaches us that failure is an event, not a person. We analyze our mistakes and try again with a renewed effort. Discipline as a life skill. The importance of discipline goes back beyond the grade. It is the fundamental life skill that shapes your entire character. Think about your future life, whether you become an engineer, artist, doctor, etc. You will be judged on your reliability and integrity. Discipline is the training ground for reliability. You will be training yourself to be a person who keeps the promises and follows through on commitments. A quality that will make you invaluable in any profession. A disciplined lifestyle, a healthy lifestyle, and a healthy student is always focused. High performing students also. A